and you work together with ARD, and together, we will make this country, and we will originally start in Mindanao. We will make Mindanao a model for social justice. We will make Mindanao a model for community upliftment. You people from Mindanao will give the Philippines hope. Lagi akong nangangarap para sa Pilipinas, pero nung nakita ko lahat ng stalls, yung mga technology, yung energy dyan, kamuntik na akong umiyak kasi iniisip ko, wow, baka talaga mangyari yung pangarap ko. Kasi ang daming technology dyan, kailangan tulungan sila. So kailangan maintindihan mo ang puso ko. This is my feeling and my stand. Na yung resources ng Mindanao ginagamit ng iba, winawasak nila yung resources ng Mindanao sa tingin ko. In English, that's what you call social injustice. When the resources of one land are destroyed for the business interests of a few, and when the resources of one land are not enjoyed by the people of this land, it is social injustice. It's social injustice.
Oya, Mindanao! Change is here. At Ma'am Gina, mahal na Pangulo, sa pagbabago na ito, kasali po kami.
Ikaw ang Pangulo para sa pagbabago. Sawa na ang bayan ko sa magnanakaw na tao. Madilim na kahapon, ikaw ang mag-aahon. Sa piling mo, di ko mawawala ang korupsyon.
Mahal niyo bang Diyos? Mahal niyo bang bayan? Mahal niyo bang Mindanao? Mahal niyo ba si President Duterte? Ang gusto niya na ang resources ng Mindanao ay para sa Mindanao. This is gonna be the best president we've ever had. Really. Guaranteed. The best. You know why? Because of his heart. You need heart, and you need will, and you need integrity. And itong tatlo, mayroon dyan sa kanya.
Masdan mo ang paligid, alamang mga krimen.
Hindi naman lahat mayaman na oligarchs. Meron yung they built their empire through the years. As for example, I'm not saying it because she's here. Gina, she's a billionaire, but look at the way she treats herself. She's a crusader, and she loves the country, and she hates oligarchs. Yung iba, they destroy For example, Tubay, Agusan del Norte, an island as fragile as Mindanao. Kung pagkabutasan mo ito at sisirain mo, there will never be a tomorrow for your children. That is why I am fighting a monster. I am just 2 months older, but believe me, I will destroy their clutches sa ating bayan.
Galing sa puso! Isang sobrang malaking bagsak para kay President Duterte.